Greens, fans fam YouTube, Mixin LB here with another video here at
Schnormeier
Garden. So I can't pronounce it too well. So I'm going to start the intro of this in the middle of my adventure walking around, because I didn't know what to do besides cinematics. Also I had to cool down because I was really overheating myself. It's getting really hot here, so yeah. After cooling down, now I figure out what to do and how to film this. So let's go. Haska's garden here. My mother really does love Haska's. She would love to have been here. It's also a great rest spot because it's under the trees, a lot of shade, rocking chairs, and the cool breeze just goes right through. The things you find while here. This area is known as the LINLS Gardens. What we have here is the Meadows Garden. This whole garden sits on 75 acres of land. This right here is the Quarry Gardens. You gotta love that waterfall in there, man. You really gotta love that waterfall. Alright, it's gonna be a little loud, but how many of you want this in your front yard? I know I do. Chinese cup garden. Gotta love this. So like the owner's estate home, the actual home for the owner is right there. We're allowed to walk around it, but we're not allowed inside of it. There's people walking like on a patio and such. I was told walk around, so I'm staying on the grass, not going on the patio area. You know, I've been here since 10 a.m. Well, a little beforehand. I'm trying to see a good red tan line on myself. Like there's so much here to explore. It's so beautiful here. It's really worth the time to come out and venture this area. Beautiful Serenity Garden. Oh, look at Buddha's head. From a high plateau, a Japanese garden looks out at 5 ponds, 2 waterfalls, and a bridge. Garden features hundreds of rare confines. Anyways, the reason I came here is because it only open 1 month of an entire year, and as what I've heard, this is like a really good like garden for anybody to show up here. If I would known from a head start that this place is gonna be like really good and magical as it is, I would definitely have brought a bigger vlog camera, not just a cell phone. This looks ridiculous, and it feels ridiculous too. If you're gonna say, you can see my arm right there. I'm actually surprised that there's some Pokemon activity here, seeing how it's private residence, you know? Like, why would you put in someone's private residence, like Pokestops and gyms? Like, come on. I'm surprised no one like removed it or anything like that. Here we go. Here we go. The phone's not even updated either. The Pokemon Go game, so some of the stuff glitches. Zap, 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 zap. Go zap. Oh wait, sun's right there. Keep forgetting the sun is your center stage. And zap some more. Ooh, almost got it down. And it is down. Do I get a shiny here? That would be nice. I would call it like Head of Buddha or something. Yeah, if I got a shiny here, I'll definitely name it after the place. You know, it won't fully fit in. No, it's not shiny. Well, I tried. Just throw balls at it. Fling balls. Get back to doing cinematics here of this place. Ah, Magikarp's caught first ball catch. You any good? It's alright. Alright, it's the end of the vlog. Thank you everyone for watching the Schnormeier Garden here. I got the whole pamphlet map. This is actually a map of the whole entire place. Right here. Whoop. Forgot that. 75 acres. The whole area. I did explore the whole place. I am exhausted. I was exhausted from all this traveling around there because I spent the whole entire day until 4 p.m. was closing time just walking around exploring the whole area. And it was so hot that I couldn't, concentrate with whole talking the whole time. So with that being said, yes, this is a beautiful place. I recommend to anybody to go Sorry there wasn't much Pokemon Go activity in there besides just the one Magikarp raid. So anyways, thank you all for watching. Have a good one. So bye everybody.